Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of withdrawing your earned cryptocurrency from Faucetworld and transferring it to Binance using the Polygon network. With Polygon, you can withdraw your earnings to any Polygon-supported wallet, such as Ledger, Trezor, Metamask, Trust Wallet, or even to popular crypto exchanges like Binance. Before we dive in, let's briefly talk about Binance. Binance is the largest and one of the most trusted centralized crypto exchanges. However, it's generally recommended not to keep your crypto assets in exchanges for an extended period. Instead, consider using a trusted crypto wallet like a hardware wallet such as Ledger or even Metamask or Trust Wallet. Now, let's get started with the withdrawal process. Firstly, make sure you have a Binance account. If you don't have one, you can easily create an account using the Binance affiliate link provided in the description below. Once you have your account, log into Binance. On the top menu, click on Wallet and then Fiat and Spot. From the drop-down menu, select the Polygon-supported coin you wish to deposit. For example, if you want to deposit USDC, click on the deposit link next to USDC. On the deposit page, choose the Polygon option. Here, you'll find your unique deposit address for the Polygon network. Now, open a new tab and navigate to the Faucetworld settings page. In the wallet section, save your Polygon network address, which you copied from Binance. Next, go to the Faucetworld homepage and click on the withdraw button for the coin you want to withdraw, such as USDC. Please note that you need to have at least $1 worth of crypto to initiate a withdrawal. On the withdrawal page, select Polygon as the withdrawal mode, solve the CAPTCHA, and click on the withdraw button. Within minutes, you'll see a successful withdrawal confirmation, and your balance will appear in your Binance account. You can also review your withdrawal history on the My Withdrawals page on. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to withdraw cryptocurrency to your Binance account using the Polygon network. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment requesting more helpful content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.